जैट, स्नैप, एनमैट, अरे भाई कोई सीईटी के बारे में बात करेगा कि नहीं? Guys, because no one is talking about CET, we have made this video about CET 2026, a complete guide of that exam that would help you understand the timelines, the exam portion, the paper pattern, the top colleges, everything in this one video. So if your aim is to get into the one of the top B schools, which is JBIMS, this video is for you. Be with me for the next few minutes and you'll know everything about CET 2026. All right, guys. Starting off with the important dates. Registration start होंगे तुम्हारे जनवरी सेकेंड वीक के आसपास, मिड फेब में खत्म हो जाएंगे। फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ मार्च में एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज होएगा एंड एग्जाम डेट टेंटेटिवली मार्च थर्ड वीक विच वुड बी अराउंड 22nd 23rd के आसपास हो सकता है एग्जाम। एंड declaration happens in the end of April or start of May. About CET 2026. CET 2026 conduct कौन करे, which is say state CET cell of Maharashtra. Purpose, it is for 2 year MMS or MBA programs. 330 plus MBA colleges होते हैं, MBA institutes or B schools, whatever you can call them. Around 1 से 1.5 लाख लोग ये एग्जाम्स के लिए अपियर करते हैं एंड एग्जाम मोड होता है ऑनलाइन, बट यू हैव टू गो टू द सेंटर एंड गिव द एग्जाम. What's the eligibility? You must be a citizen of India. 50% of marks होने चाहिए minimum in your undergrad, general category, 45% reservation. Final year students can appear for the exam and there's no age limit. The exam pattern 200 questions. 200 marks हर एक क्वेश्चन का 1 मार्क होता है. 150 minutes 2.5 hours. Again, mode is online. There are no negative marks for an incorrect answer, so you don't have to worry about that, which is why everyone marks all the questions towards the end. कि भाई 100 अगर 20 मैंने छोड़े हुए 20 में से एक तो राइट आएगा if I just मारो फाय तुक्का. This is the section wise allocation of marks. 75 for LR, 25 for abstract, 50 for quants and 50 for verbal, total 200. ये approximately score versus percentile होता है. So it keeps on changing with every slot. This time there were 6 slots. पहले दो were tough, next के 4 were easy. तो फिर अगर बाकी के 4 में तुम्हारे ज़्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे तो परसेंटाइल बहुत ज़्यादा मार्क्स चाहिए होंगे फॉर हायर परसेंटाइल. पहले वाले में विद लोअर स्कोर यू कैन अचीव हायर परसेंटाइल, सो इट्स टेंटेटिव. काफ़ी नॉर्मलाइजेशन होता है, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट डोंट गो बाय दिस. Your aim is to get a high percentile whichever mock you're giving, wherever you're giving. तुम्हारा काम है टॉप रैंकर में होना, मार्क्स से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, नाउ syllabus. We talk about syllabus firstly for LR. LR के लिए अल्फाबेट टेस्ट होता है, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, सीरीज, ब्लड रिलेशन, डायरेक्शंस, रैंकिंग, सिलोजिज्म्स, इनइक्वालिटी, आउटपुट, clocks and calendar, cubes and dice. Guys, one announcement that I would want to make in the middle would be that we have started with a CET 26 batch. Um, we are covering everything. You're getting one-on-one mentoring sessions. You're getting weekly mentoring sessions, doubt solving sessions, live lectures, recorded lectures, mocks, books, everything that you can think of. We are giving you in our package. Whatever you want to know about that, you can go to our website, our Insta channel, or even contact us through our WhatsApp number. Everything is there in the description. If you have any doubt, you can call us or text us whenever, and we get back to you. All right. वर्बल का ये होता है सिलेबस, स्टेटमेंट्स एंड अजम्पशंस, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, कंक्लूजन्स, कॉज एंड इफेक्ट्स, इन्फरेंस, कोर्स ऑफ एक्शंस. Logical में again we have got linear circular distribution, puzzles. Abstract में it's very easy. Series होता है, missing figure होता है, next figure, water images, mirror images, etc. Quants में you'd already know, guys. There's also one way of thinking that if you're preparing really tough for CAT, ZAT, SNAP, NMAT, whatever, I'm sure तुम्हारा around 80 to 90% quants उधर ही cover हो जाता है. You don't have to put a lot of efforts in quants. Of course, there are certain chapters which you have to focus on during CET, but that would, 10-15 marks extra के लिए होगा. So our focus would be mainly to crack verbal, LR and abstract, and उसके बाद quants, because quants you would already know since you're preparing for other exams. Okay, so these are the chapters: percentages, ratio, mixtures, sample, and compound interest program. You might be knowing all of these things. You can pause and have a look at these things. वर्बल में काफ़ी चीज़ें आ जाती है: एनालॉजी, सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ऑड वन आउट, एरर डिटेक्शन, पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, फिगर्स, आरसीज, पैराजम्बल्स, ईडियम्स। ये सब काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं, विच वी आर द टॉप परसेंटाइल विद द टॉप फैकल्टी, ऑल फ्रॉम JBIMS, all from top IIMs. Even the mentors, they themselves are the current students of JBIMS. They would be there to guide you throughout the journey till CET 2026. All right. These are the documents that you would be needing: 10, 12, graduation, CET score, CET application form, caste category, etc. Selection process में तुम्हारा online registration, create profile, choose college preference, fees, float, etc. etc. ये सब चीज़ें होती है, विच इज़ टाइम के साथ हम लोग बताते रहेंगे. वी वुड बी पुटिंग अप अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. तुम्हारे मेंटोर्स तुम्हें बताएंगे, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. And the top college that you should aim through CET are JBIMS, SIMSREE, Wellinger, SIS, PUMBA, and COAP. These colleges usually require 99 plus percentile in CET. So, which is why we ask you all to start preparing for CET 2026 from right now. We want you to have this first mover advantage. Starting से तुम prepare करोगे, you would solve so many more questions than the ones who would be starting off late. जिसके वजह से तुम लोग ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस देख लोगे, जिसके वजह से तुम्हें कुछ सरप्राइजेस ज्यादा नहीं आएंगे इन CT 2026, एंड यू वुड बी एबल टू स्कोर मच मोर than the ones who would be starting off late. Again, the same announcement, we've got everything covered in our course at a very affordable price, which is there on our website, on our Insta channel. तुम्हें डायरेक्ट बात करनी है, you can call on our number and get to know more about it. Thank you so much, guys. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more information on CT 26, for which we'll be posting more videos eventually. Thank you so much, guys.